Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to let doctors view images captured by MeiboVue and QuickView on their computers. The whole process will take 4 steps. First, install VisuDoc software on examination PC, which is operated by technician. Log in admin's account. The default name is admin and password is 12345678. Then click System and select User Management. Click here to create new user. Input account name, first name, and last name. Set up password and tick admin access. Now the images are stored in examination PC. Click Wi-Fi icon on examination PC and find IPv4 address and take note. Install VisuDoc on doctor's PC. Make sure doctor's PC and examination PC are in same network. In login window, click server. Input same IPv4 address as examination PC. Click connect, then log in with doctor's user account. Please be noted that one user account can only be logged in one PC at the same time. After login, click Patient List to check patient in images instantly. If you still need help, please feel free to contact us for further support.